Hello everyone, I am Khazi Mujawwiz. Today we are going to see freeze spans to lock rows and columns. What is freeze spans? To keep an area of a worksheet visible while you scroll to another area of the worksheet. Freeze the first column. To freeze the first column, we have to select the first column, go to View, then Freeze Spans, then freeze first column. If you scroll, the first column is freeze. It is locked. Freeze the first two columns. Select the third column, then go to View, then Freeze Spans, then Freeze Spans. The first two columns will be locked. Freeze columns and rows. Select the cell below the rows and to the right of the columns you want to keep visible when you scroll. Then go to View, Freeze Spans, then click Freeze Spans. Now we will see how to unfreeze rows and columns. On the View tab, Window, then Unfreeze Spans. Unfreeze Spans.